It's a new day, we're back with the MG. So today the goal is to get the wiper fluid reservoir out, the heater unit out, and see what kind of progress can be made with the brake booster and the brake system. And of course the odds and ends, little distributor blocks and just other mounting points that we are not going to need for the restoration. That's the plan for today. Let's get to work. One important thing I always do is I bag them and tag them. Take your fasteners, label them. I do DR for driver, P, PAS for passenger. Now I've got them all bolts, washers, labeled with the hardware. So when it's time for reassembly, I already know where it goes. All right, so before we remove the master cylinder, we have to clear the lines and the reservoirs. So I created this out of a pickle jar, got a big hole, helped the siphon hose go through with 2 breather holes to keep the fluid running. I'm gonna siphon the fluid out of this reservoir, and then bleed the lines into the same jar, and that'll let us disassemble everything without making a huge mess. Check it out. Before we are actually able to pull the whole assembly out, there's 2 bolts behind the firewall in here, which are kind of difficult to get to, but good thing we have the gauges taken out. It's easier to get to. We got the engine bay ready to pull out the motor. So if you guys caught the title of the first part, you know that we started this rebuild without a budget. So next episode, I'm gonna show you how we take a $0 budget and get a budget for the build. Tune in next time. See ya.